This is juscoz. Yep, alright. Not happy, are you? Alrighty, there you go then. So, this is juscoz. Yeah, I wasn't planning on doing this for a Saturday video. It was going to be a Wednesday video. I was going to surprise you with it, but well. I ran out of argon, so I can't get this job finished until Monday. And well, yeah. That's annoying. This was going to be the Saturday video, and this is juscoz was going to be a Wednesday video announcing changes. Stuff is happening. Not in the shedquarters. Few things. Changing the video format because, well, I like doing instructional videos, teaching tips and tricks, helping other people learn, but I don't seem to be getting the subscribers that, well, you'd expect to see after 14 months and nearly 100 videos. Yeah, it's just not working. So I'm going to be stepping away from the format that I've been doing slightly, but hopefully getting more done. If I'm not showing you every step of the way, it means I can work a lot faster. Starting off, the Brumberty. It's only got a month left until it's got to be going, and well, it's not really going to happen here. I've got to get the Brumberty undercover to actually do the metal work for the roof, and well, I can't fit it inside this shed and work on it. It has been in here before, but yeah, not to work on. Now that leaves us with a new workshop. So we're going to be moving to another workshop with the Brumberty, and if all goes well, we'll just keep going from there. But we're going to see how that works. Now there is a lot to do on the Brumberty, so there will be more than one video a week. Like, it's only a month left, and I've got, well, I'd have to mark something off the list every second day, which just doesn't happen, so I'm just going to have to work on it a bit harder and mark off lots. The to-do list needs to get shorter, quicker. Now, yeah, so different video formats. The Brumberty's moving out, we're moving out, and yeah, the Cubman. Haven't heard of that for a while. Now, I have been working on it slowly, doing bodywork, filler, sander, all that stuff. Now, there's going to be one more build video and then get onto the driving video. I have actually been driving it around a bit, but I haven't been able to sort out the charging issue, so yeah, I think the motor's going to have to come out. Makes me come up with other ideas, but we'll just keep the Cubman as is for now, so we won't worry about that. Other things, my knee. Yes, for anybody that's new here, if you go back, watch This is juscoz 1, it explains how the channel started and all that, and how I spent the first 6 months or something on crutches. Now, I had surgery back in May, had the plate removed out of my knee, and so I just had the follow-up visit last week, and well, the surgeon was really happy with how things are and doesn't want to see me again. So all that's left now is exercise and, well, rebuild all the muscles. I've been doing physio, so it's been going along the right direction, but I've decided I'm going to get a push bike and start doing some riding. That's on the knee front. The knee is coming along well. Now, what else? What are you doing, shedquarters? Cubman, Brumberty, workshop, exhaust. Yeah, things are all going pretty good here, except for the fact that I've only got 169 subscribers at this point. Now, if you've got any suggestions on what I could do for the channel, content, what would make things work better so that I can get the subscribers I need to grow the channel, that would be handy. I know that finishing the projects like the Cubman would be a good start, and it's going to happen, but things get busy when you're a stay-at-home dad. If you're wondering about all this exhaust, well, that'll be a video on Wednesday. And well, try not to run out of argon when you're customizing everything.
Shedquarters.